Hey guys, welcome back to Eat. As you can see, we have some glasses. They are not real glasses, they are blue light glasses.
So like everything is yellow, so it's like crazy. We use them for
it helps actually
it helps us sleep
with blue light glasses. Just stop, let me say this part. With blue light glasses, they help you to sleep better if you've been on screens right before bed or for a certain amount of time. Like, I don't know. I don't really know the science behind it. I just know that it helps me sleep better when I'm on screens right before bed doing homework or whatever. Link in the description below if you want to get some.
Link.
So today we'll be eating lasagna. So we have Costco lasagna.
And Oma'S homemade lasagna.
And we're going to be comparing which one we think is like... okay, it's good. It's not that bad. Like, I'd eat it. But I want this one so much more because it's just so much better because it's homemade.
Sorry if any of you work at Costco and you're watching this.
But homemade's always better.
You know.
We haven't tried it. We might know. Costco might surprise us. Costco might surprise us.
Maybe.
Yeah. So, would you like to do the honors and pray?
Let's do this, woman. Dear Jesus, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you that we get to eat some lasagna, and that we had a good day at school, and that you'll help us to have a good rest of the day. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
So
3, 2,
1.
Where did? Okay, whoa. This is cool. So we got celery, garlic bread, Oma'S, Costco. What did happen? What happened? What?
Wait. Oh. Let me just. Gotta clean these.
Celery. Cheers. Celery goodness.
My molar is coming in, so it's hard to bite on that side.
I'm gonna try the Costco kind first.
Oh.
Get all the tops up. Not bad. The top's a bit burnt though, so
That wasn't their fault. That was ours.
I'm on grass. Num num. Costco, not bad. How would you rate it out of 10?
I would do maybe a 6. Their
Lacking
feta
in
cheese. Their feta cheese is actually kind of cold. But it's not like cold. It's just, I don't know.
They're just lacking in it. They need more cheese.
I know. They did like such a small layer of it.
Get your hand in my face, woman.
Still kind of hot.
What the? It just came out of the oven. Beautiful bite.
Yeah, you just scratched me.
Do you guys like my scrunchie and my Starbucks cup? It's beautiful.
So simple. Okay, I'm gonna put my glasses over here.
I'm gonna try the garlic bread.
Yeah.
This deliciousness.
Nice and juicy. Wait, cheers! Nice and buttery.
I think this is Pot Store.
Maybe.
Yeah, probably from Costco as well. So, what are your thoughts on Gideon? Is he cute? Is he ugly? Is he annoying? Is he loud? Is he adorable? Is he an angel? It's a question you have to answer.
Oh, me?
Who do you think I'm asking? You guys can answer as well.
From the short video, and if you've seen on our Instagram some photos of him, and make sure you go check out our grilled cheese video, because that has a video of him and he sneezed.
So cute.
Yeah. He's adorable, cute, loud, and keeps people awake.
He's
But
getting better.
mostly too cute. Too cute to ever be mad at.
Mine.
She just got lasagna in her water. Sucker.
You're mean.
I'm the one who told you to move your water.
You did not.
Mm-hmm.
You said so it didn't fall off. That's a different purpose.
You would have avoided that as well.
But then there would be a mess I'd have to clean up.
Got it. You got to meat right. Good.
Okay.
Time for dun 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 Oma'S homemade lasagna.
You just made that weird.
I just made it jazzy.
Who needs jazz when they got flute? Yes, I'm a flautist.
So am I.
No, you're not. You don't even have a flute.
I gave mine to you.
Yeah, but you're not as good as me anymore. Oh, that's a lot of cheese. Here. How do you get a bite? Wait for me.
Num num. Lasagna is hard to pick up.
I know.
I'm so glad I went with the plastic fork.
Cheers. I can't really decide yet because I haven't really had one.
Oma'S wins. By shooting stars. By flying colors, that's the saying. So good.
Isn't it like
Everything's so balanced.
by-
You can taste the cheese. It's so good. Oma, you're amazing. I can't wait to take this to school.
burrito? Yum yum breakfast. Wait, where's the wet cloth?
I ate it. You guys, this is so good. Like, words can't even comprehend. As you could tell, I was babbling like a buffoon earlier.
Buffoon. Stop. Hi.
How have you not melted?
Because I don't melt for food. I melt for dessert.
She's an angel in disguise, I tell you.
Happy dance.
She's got
Meat,
green stuff.
Spinach.
Spinach, meat, cheese, feta cheese, and other type cheese. This is why I use knives. I can't even cut a pancake with a fork.
Eh. I'm just like, show off.
Ew! That's disgusting. You don't know what my elbow has touched.
I know it's touched the baby.
I made a cut.
Apparently, if you lick someone's elbow without their knowledge, they can't feel it. Apparently, if you lick someone's elbow without their knowledge, you can't.
What do you mean without their knowledge?
You'll find out.
That's what you get for saying that. Because now I'm frightened. That didn't make sense. Because now I'm very scared. It was actually cutting.
No, I can't even get over how good this is.
I can't because I don't like it. I love it!
Aaliyah, do you take spaghetti or lasagna
Talk to the hand, please. So, I rate Costco pizza.
out of 10?
I mean, Costco lasagna. 6 out of 10 because the bread stuff was a little. I know I have lasagna on my face.
No, it's a fluff. There we go.
So, I rate the Costco pizza 6 out of 10 because the breading or the whatever it's called it was a little kind of chewy and thin, which I don't really like that texture, and there wasn't enough cheese. And I would rate Oma'S pizza, drumroll please.
Pupils dilate.
9 out of 10. It was very good, very good.
Well, my turn. Let me fix my smart glasses. Fixed. So, for the Costco kind, I give it a 5.5 because it was really good. It was lacking in cheese. The breading was a little thin.
You're just copying me.
No, because I have my smart glasses.
We are nemesis. The pasta. It's called the pasta
It's
pot.
called the pasta
Do you
pot.
not know what it's called?
The pasta pot was
She's
lacking.
tried to be smart, but she's not.
It needed cheese on top. Yes, and it's a 5.95. I will change it. 5.95. 5. 6, 7, 3, 1. Recurring.
Recurring.
You haven't learned that yet because you're so young.
I'm in 5th grade. Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
that's it.
mumble.
And for Oma'S, she's an angel. This an angel cook. I would give it. I would give it.
She would give it
100
100
out of 10.
out of 90.
Because it was perfection.
Because it was pan cheese.
It was utter perfection.
It was
Though-
utter perfection. And the positive shout
Shout
out
out
of the day goes to Jayla Rojas.
High five. Oh.
So, congratulations.
Round of applause.
Okay.
Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we post a new video. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.